Sawubona mngani, welcome back to Zulu Lessons with Thando, the place for modern conversational Zulu language lessons. We are on our final class of noun prefixes, class 8. Now class number 8 is similar to class 7. It is not countable or it is not indicative of number. The prefixes are uk and uku and ukw. Let me give you some examples so that you can see how they look. And remember, they are not indicative of number. You cannot make them singular or plural. Ukudla, food. Ukufa, death. Ukugula, sickness or illness. Ukulalela, listening. Ukushisa, heat. Ukukhala, crying. Ukuphupha, dreaming. Ukuposa, throwing. Now, these are verbal nouns, meaning they are derived from verbs. So, for example, the ones that I've just listed, ukugula. So, ukugula is the noun derived from the verb gula, which means to be sick. Lalela is a verb which means listen. Now, ukulalela, it is listening. Khala means to cry. Now, ukukhala is now the noun, crying. Pupa is the noun, to dream. Now, dreaming is ukupupa. To arrive is fika. The noun arriving is ukufika. The prefix uku is also used with verbs that begin with the vowel A and E. Now these, when you now want to make them a noun, you change, you don't say uku anymore. Let me show you how it works. For example, aka, to build, is the verb. So now when we are making this a noun, to say building, we would say uku plus aka. The second U of uku, that changes now to W, and we say ukwaka. Ukwaka. Another example would be aba, to distribute or to divide. Aba, we would say uku plus aba. That second U becomes a W. Now we have ukwaba. The verb ala, to refuse. If we are now making it a noun, we say uku plus ala. That is ukwala, refusing. Now the verbs that begin with the letter E are also the same. For example, eba, meaning to steal. Now uku plus eba is ukweba. The second U became a W. Ukweba, stealing. Ehla means to climb down. Now uku plus ehla is then ukwehla. I'm sure you're following now. Esaba, to fear. Uku plus esaba is ukwesaba, fearing. Now say the verb starts with the letter O. We drop the second U of uku. So for example, the verb osa, to grill or to barbecue or to braai. Now if you are making it a noun, we would say ukosa. So we say uku plus osa. We drop that second U and we say ukosa. To sin or to do wrong is ona. Ona. Now uku plus ona is ukona, doing wrong. Ondla is to support, as in supporting your family, but financial support. So ondla, if you are now making it a noun, we would say ukondla. Ukondla. We dropped that second U and we said ukondla. Opa, to bleed. You drop the second U of uku and we say ukopa, bleeding. So just to recap for Class 8. The noun prefixes are uk and uku and then ukw. So we have words like ukudla, ukufa, ukosa, ukuphosa, ukushisa, ukuvuma, to agree or to consent, ukufa, to die, ukuthola, finding. That is it, my friend, for the noun prefixes. Please, ngiyacela, practice this so that we can move on to subject concords. Now it's going to get interesting because you are now going to learn how to make sentences all on your own. This is your path to independence. So please click on these videos right here so you can practice. I need you to practice because in a few months, my friend, we should now start speaking isiZulu to each other. I will then be posting more videos where I'm just speaking isiZulu and then you are practicing hearing and interpreting in your mind. Then we are on our way to fluency. Ngiyabonga mngani ngesikhathi sakho. Thank you, my friend, for your time. Usale kahle.